Good afternoon, students. I am Partha Bhattacharya, physics teacher, and today is very nice day, Teachers' Day. So, actually, I want to tell something to you that every time be positive in your studies. The enthusiasm in the study is the most important thing. So, be every time enthusiastic to be very serious student. Okay, and try to concentrate properly, and every time whenever there is a problem arising, ask the teacher. Whatever there's a problem arising, you ask the teacher, clear the concept. And if you become enthusiastic in your study, if you concentrate properly, if you able to control your mind in your study, then automatically the success will come. Okay, so be positive, be enthusiastic, and no one can stop you in your life. You will be victorious. Okay, thank you.